Yummy. Yummy. I think Sammy wants me to get up. Yummy. What's wrong? What's up, honey? Would you like me to get up from this bed? Hmm? Honey? Want me to get up? If you could hear the purring. She's actually being pretty passive right now. If she really wants me to get up, she'll keep headbutting and licking and purring and carrying on until I get up. Oh, there's the headbutt. Well, if she really wants food, she'll let me know. She's laid back down for now, but I'm about to get up, so she'll get right back up again. Oh, you. Oh. Oh, you, Missy. Yeah. She's persistent when she wants to be. Sammy. Now I'm going to be persistent. Alright. I think I'm going to get up now, for now, anyway.